Welcome to this overview of the MES PiInject. MES PiSolutions is the modular system for our industry solutions PiInject, PiAssembly, PiGateway and PiOEM. With well-founded skills in the field of automation engineering, we speak the same language as the machine manufacturers and our customers. This differentiates us from the classic MES provider. PiInject is the industry solution for plastic injection molding from our PiSolutions modular system. With PiInject you get a comprehensive solution that focuses on monitoring and maintaining quality as well as traceability. PiInject is based on the proven PiSolutions architecture, which we have already described in one of our earlier videos. The foundation of our MES consists of a secure and stable interface connection to the machines and their peripheral devices. PiInject gives you the opportunity to connect your injection molding machines and the surrounding systems using various interfaces. The Euromap interfaces, which are commonly used in injection molding, as well as OPC UA and various proprietary protocols, are supported. In case of machines without modern interfaces, we offer you the option of networking the machine with our PiDigibox via the digital IOs. As a representative of the PiSolution ecosystem, PiInject is based on a large range of functions. For the plastics industry, modules such as KPI and OEE visualizations, alarm management, reporting and batch documentation, order and type management, as well as maintenance management are central components of the software. This is supported by consistent and high-performance data logging and storage. The use of different machines and peripheral devices, injection molding tools and products requires simple and safe handling of the associated machine parameters and process data. In addition, PiInject provides functions for versioning and for comparing data records within recipe and data record management. If desired, functions for the traceability of changes and corresponding messages as well as releases through electronic signatures can also be implemented. The interaction of the user with the MES takes place via the MES clients. Simultaneous access by different users with different authorizations and different tasks is an essential part of the graphical user interface. The client of the established PiInject in Generation 4 makes its functions available to the user as a reliable and configurable Windows application. The new PiInject in Generation 5 is being developed as an application with a modern web front end and is therefore platform independent and also supports mobile devices. Data exchange with business-level software solutions is also guaranteed with PiInject. With these higher-level systems, customer-specific processes for recipe and order management can be implemented. The transfer of process data to data lakes and data warehouses is also an increasingly common scenario. As already described, the successful PiSolutions in version 4 is being developed into the more modern version 5. A central component of this development is to offer our existing customers an upgrade path. Existing and valued functions such as the plant overview will continue to be available in a similar form so that a changeover is possible without lengthy user training. The dashboards within PiInject are important tools for getting a quick overview of key performance indicators and other relevant data. For example, it is important to monitor the status of all machines in production in order to optimize machine availability and thus easily increase output. By providing a view of machine statuses, PiInject helps you identify issues and unplanned downtimes, as well as track maintenance stops and repairs. In the order overview, all scheduled and ongoing orders are clearly displayed in tabular form. Central information such as order progress, the type produced, the average cycle time, good and bad parts and more parameters create a quick overview. Various filter and sorting functions help to limit the view to the information you are looking for, even in large productions. The alarm overview is the central starting point for the analysis of currently pending errors. All currently pending alarm messages from all machines are brought together and displayed here. The view can be filtered and sorted according to various criteria. But not only alarm and warning messages can be displayed, violations of parameter limit values can also be tracked here. In order to perform a more detailed analysis of a single machine, PiInject provides a dashboard for each machine. Here the user gets a wide range of information about the machine and its current operating conditions. This includes data about the machine's availability, the output, general order and type information and the machine status over the past few hours. In addition to this general data, The software provides further detailed information from the ongoing process of the injection molding machine. For example, process value graphs of quality relevant parameters can be logged and displayed on a cyclic basis. Analyzing this data helps identifying trends, patterns, and abnormalities in the process. By analyzing the graph, you can identify potential problems or inefficiencies in the process and take corrective action to improve the process. The process data graphs can also be used to monitor the performance of a process and ensure that it is operating within desired parameter limits. The OEE is a key performance indicator which is used by PiInject to provide a comprehensive view of the effectiveness of the system or equipment. OEE, or overall equipment effectiveness, is a measure of how efficiently a manufacturing system or piece of equipment is being utilized. It considers factors such as availability, performance, and quality. The values can be used to identify specific inefficiencies in a process, such as frequent machine stops that reduce availability, slow cycle times that reduce performance, or high levels of defects that reduce the quality parameter. By tracking OEE, informed decisions can be made about how to optimize the processes and operations and with it increase the profit. With increasing product and system complexity, the monitoring of the peripheral devices of the injection molding machine is also becoming increasingly important. Our MES offers many interfaces to integrate these systems as well and thus bring together the data of the whole production line. This creates what we call the fully integrated injection molding machine. In order to support the users to set up the production of a product quickly, PiInject provides the dataset handling. A dataset contains all the machine parameters required for a specific product, including target values, limits and much more. Datasets can be read out from the machine and saved in the MES. In this way, they can be sent back to the machine in the event of a product change. The setup effort for the operator when changing tools is thus reduced to just a few manual steps. The datasets are stored in version form in the MES and can be compared with one another. Parameter changes can thus be tracked and, if necessary, reverted. Thank you for joining us for this short presentation on our PiInject software. While we have only had the opportunity to demonstrate a few of its key features today, it is important to note that our software has a lot of additional functionality. In fact, it is designed to be a comprehensive solution for monitoring and optimizing your production. However, due to the fact that most installations contain customer-specific processes and views, we have only been able to provide a brief overview of its capabilities. If you have any further questions or would like to see a more in-depth demonstration of the software, please don't hesitate to contact us. We would be happy to schedule a personalized demonstration to showcase all that our software has to offer.